episode of Cooking with the Reaper, your heavy metal chef. Hey guys, we got an exciting recipe for you. As usual, they're all exciting, right? At least to me. But we're gonna do some boneless beef loins. I've had these marinating. I've already seasoned them up. We're going to flip them over. Oh, yeah. Because I salted them real good. That way it opens up the pores, you know. A little balsamic vinegar. Some bourbon seasoning. Pepper, garlic. It's good stuff. But I've had these marinating at room temperature for a little while. We're gonna throw them on the grill. You know, Gunchy, he's been waiting around patiently. Because you know, we got our Smokehouse ultimate mac and cheese. All right. He's been waiting for that. That was done first. And don't forget, that recipe is actually in our video collection under the ultimate mac and cheese. Which it is. 2 points. But we're going to do some caramelized bourbon onions, honey bourbon onions, to go with the steaks. All right? So let me get my olive oil heating up a little bit here. And it's only going to be me doing the onions, so, you know. We don't need the whole onion. I got the baby knife again. I don't know. It's alright. But I got to remind myself to sharpen. Which, I know, a good chef always sharpens his knives before he uses them. But I never know. So, I'm just going to do probably half of this onion. Because, you know, I have a lot of steaks there, but who knows, Gunchy, he might eat the whole pan. You never know. Mm-hmm. He's getting ready to go to school. We just don't know where yet. Alright, so there's our onions. Let's see here. Just gonna throw these in the skillet. That's not very many onions. I might have to do some more. What do you think, guys? Hey guys, and don't forget, like, subscribe, share. Don't forget to hit the bell for all notifications. And by the way, give us some comments on what you'd like to see us make. We're open to anything, guys. Alright? I mean, I have plenty of recipes. Don't get me wrong. I have a Rolodex from my grandma that probably lasts 100 years. Because literally, it's about 100 years worth of recipes. Alright, so I'm going to throw just a dab of salt. And I'm going to throw some pepper in there. Why? Because I like pepper. What do you think? Maybe a little garlic? I don't want to overpower too much, but we'll sprinkle a little. Let these render down a little bit. Uh-oh. Man down. Gonna let them cook down for a little bit. And I forgot my bourbon, so I'll be right back. This is Heaven's Door bourbon, guys. It's good stuff. But we We're going to put that in the onions here once they cook down a little bit. Or I could do it now.
No.
Now, huh?
No.
Better stay back, you might catch on fire. Remember, guys, you want to add this off the heat, okay? I'm only going to add about 1.5 ounces. We're going to let it cook off.
I'm not sure the phone.
Oh, Gucci. It's gonna catch on fire, Dad. Never. But we gotta cook off the alcohol. That way we don't inebriate our guests. Well, we're not having any guests today, but you know. Let's just slap a little bourbon in there. Yeah. All right. I'm going to go ahead and throw about 2 tablespoons of butter in there. It's going to take it a little bit to caramelize these onions. Oh yeah, they smell good. Oh, Gunji, he's itching to get into that mac and cheese. All right. I am going to throw a splash of oregano in these. Not much. We're going to turn the heat up just a dab. We're going to let these cook down. We're going to go ahead and throw a little bit of honey in there, guys. About a tablespoon. Oh yeah. Honey bourbon caramelized onions. Can't go wrong with that. Right. So I'm going to let these cook down for a little bit. And we're going to go ahead and head out to the grill. I'm going to grill up these steaks. And hopefully the onions will be done when I get back. You know. Well, at least one side of the steaks anyway. I'm going to go ahead and I just got to do a little dab here, guys. I'm going to do about 1/2 shot of this bourbon. Oh yeah. That's good stuff. Hey, for $60 a bottle, it better be good, right? Oh yeah, look at them onions, guys. They're caramelizing real nice. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and head out to the grill. I'll be back in a few minutes. Stick around. All right, guys. There you go. We got Smokehouse mac and cheese. We got those beef boneless loin steaks with those honey caramelized bourbon onions. These things are amazing. The onions aren't burnt. That is the color the honey makes them. All right. But I'd like to thank you guys for being with the Reaper again and Gunchi, our trusty cameraman. Check out the web store. Love you guys. God bless. We'll see you next time.